Are you thinking of becoming your own boss, starting your own business? Well, before you start that small business or online service, you need to listen to
Working from home and making money at it is big. That's why our Work at Home series has been so popular.
The ads online advertising for jobs where you work at home, and you may be wondering, are they really legitimate?
Hi there, my name's Rob, and recently I was laid off from my job, and I found out about the binary code, and I'm actually making more than I was working, which is great. It's unbelievable to me, making $7,000 to $12,000 a month.
Many folks are looking to boost the family budget. Turn to the internet to find a new source.
First guest says he's got the secrets to making money on the internet.
Listen up for the next 5 minutes because I'm going to give you something for free. I'm going to share with you a deep kept secret that's going to increase your probability of having bank accounts just like mine. With $423,852.65, this is just one of 5 bank accounts where I have money stashed. And here's another bank account. Look, these are not made up fake screenshots. This is me logging into my bank account. This can't be faked. This one has $555,508.21. And these accounts, like my other 3, were earned in 7 months, starting in February of 2012. Yes, I'm telling you flat out that I made millions of dollars in 7 months without any scam softwares or scam websites or scam applications. Today, I'm going to blow the lid wide open and share with you a secret that no guru will ever tell you. And frankly, because they don't even know about it. This is very exclusive, and I'm going to give it to you for free. Yeah, I said for free. I'm not going to charge you a bogus $49 or $97 for an inferior product or software or ebook or training material, only to try to upsell you on the next page on even more worthless garbage for $197, and then later sell you again on another $295 worth of worthless crap. That, my friends, is okay? That's how upset and sick to my stomach I am. Look, at the end of the day, you've been lied to. And so was I for a very long time. For the past 5 years, I received worthless junk emails in my account promising me the next great thing. See, back then, no one was around to help me succeed. No one wanted to give me a break, and no one wanted to tell me the truth. Instead, it seemed like everybody wanted to sell me scams. Every day I would get a new offer from some scam, fakers selling fake products that generate fake money. Look, if you've been trying to make money online, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if in your inbox right now, you have an email that links to one of these scam sites. These scam sites are everywhere. Flashy videos promising millions of dollars for some secret loophole system or push button, instant money, miracle generating system. It makes me literally want to vomit. From personal experience, I've seen them all. And here's exactly what happens when you fall for one of these scam sites, okay? Even though you know it's a scam, you desperately want it to be true. You get curious. You want to know how it works. You hope deep down there's at least a glimmer of truth in it. And you think, hey, it couldn't be a complete scam, right? Maybe this magic system can help me pull in at least a few $100s in my bank account. Heck, when I bought these sorts of things, I at least expected that. Just a few $100s now and then to help pay my bills. But instead, what happens when you buy a product like that? You don't even make a few $100s. No. You get inside the members area and what do you see? Junk. Absolute garbage, confusing stuff that doesn't work, information overload, you get upset, and you feel cheated. And you want to tear your hair out and fight with every ounce of your strength to get your money back. Oh, man. I would get so angry at these scam artists and feel so stupid for getting duped. I would literally scream into my computer monitor. What they're doing is illegal and the government is simply looking the other way. See, the real problem is no one out there is willing to actually help you make money online. Everyone keeps ordering you to buy. Act now. Download now. Buy now. It's complete. But today, all that stops. Let's face it. Everything is a risk unless you don't have to pay for it, right? That's why I'm telling you that today, I'm going to share with you a method to put money in your bank account just like this, with $193,867.46. And like this, $231,017.40. I'm going to teach you this for free. I don't want your credit card. I don't want your PayPal. I don't want your money. I'm going to flat out share with you the method that I've been using since February that has made me millions of dollars personally in just 7 months. So what's the catch, you're asking? I want you to pay it forward once you're making at least $5,000 a month, meaning I want you to help others just like I'm helping you now. I want you to spread the news, spread this information. I want these scams to stop, and this is the only way how. to give you something without asking you to give me a single penny, something that works effectively to help you make a minimum of $500 a day, not $1 million a month like these fake gurus claim. No, but a realistic $500 a day and even more as it becomes second nature to you. And then I'm going to ask you to spread it around to everyone you know, your family, your friends, your coworkers. Help them make an extra $500 a day. Become a hero for them that helps them be financially free. All the while, your bank account starts growing. First like this within a couple of months. Then like this a few months later. So do we have a deal? Look, if you're not okay with this arrangement, then you can go ahead and leave right now. However, if you are okay with this arrangement, then keep on watching. What you're about to learn is so simple, but so powerful. But before we can continue on, I want to share a number with you. 4,384. That's the number of people before you that have taken on my challenge and have succeeded to date. You'll hear from many of these successful people on the next page. You're going to hear from them how my system has changed their lives for the better. Listen. Whether you're a beginner or an expert in making money, I promise you, this is simple for everyone, including you. From stay-at-home moms to business executives, even professionals, I guarantee that you've never been able to make money as simple as this. In the next page, I'm going to share with you some of the most coveted, top-secret information that will handhold you and walk you through step-by-step how to help get your bank account looking like this in less than 1 year. I want you to make sure you watch all 5 minutes of this video to see live proof of how this system works. Trust me, you do not want to miss this. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. I'm going to show you live proof of how to make at least $500 today and every day. And this system, as it becomes second nature to you, could make you even more, much more. So I want you to grab a pen and some paper. You're about to be blown away. So, okay, I'm sure you guys know who Warren Buffett is, right? For those of you who don't, he's the number 3 richest man in the world. He's worth $44 billion. Now, I'm not claiming that I can help you become a billionaire. I just want to help put things into perspective for you. Warren Buffett has made billions by leveraging the financial market. It's a true fact. The majority of millionaires and billionaires in this world made their money from trading stocks, Forex, commodities, or indices. Why do you think that 99% of stockbrokers are millionaires? They became filthy rich by being handed intelligent information and systems that are not available to the public. Until today. Listen, what you've been taught in trading stocks, Forex, commodities, and indices was designed for the average individual to lose, so that the big banks and the big boys that run them can win. But today that all stops. It's time for you to be as filthy rich as the top 1%. Leveraging the financial market has become much easier, much more lucrative than what you've been taught. And today I'm going to blow the lid wide open. I'm going to level the playing field to give you a chance to be one of the super rich, especially now in this volatile market we live in right now. You'd be surprised that more and more people are becoming millionaires overnight. As a matter of fact, over 500,000 new people became millionaires in 2011, and I'm one of them for 2012. Remember this? With $423,852.65. How about this one? $555,508.21. Look, I'm not kidding when I tell you that the majority of us become millionaires by leveraging the financial market. So I want you to ask yourself this question. Why aren't you doing it? You know what? It's okay. You're not to blame. It's not your fault. Traditional ways of trading stocks, Forex, and other securities takes days of research and insider knowledge on the stock that you want to trade. Unless you're a sophisticated stock trader or a Wall Street fat cat working for a bank, there's a huge learning curve. The traditional ways of trading involve hours of studying news, charts, and newspapers. It involves risking $5,000 to $20,000 a day to be a good day trader. And at the end of it, you'll be lucky to make between 0.5% to 5% in profit. It was designed for the average individual to lose so that the big boys in Wall Street and the big banks can win. Let's face it, the financial market is the number one market that's responsible for creating mega multi-millionaires and billionaires. But most don't even touch it because of the learning curve on trading stocks, commodities, Forex, and indices. Well, today, that's all going to change. There's no longer a learning curve. Today, I'm blowing the lid wide open. I'm going to expose those greedy Wall Street fat cats and the unfair banks. Today, I'm going to expose the same system that these millionaire stockbrokers and greedy banks use to suck up all the money in the world only to buy themselves Lamborghinis and Mega Yachts. It's called binary options. It's the most simple system to use to leverage the financial market. There's no more need for hours of research. No more analyzing company revenues and profits. No more need for watching the news to make some educated decision on how much stock to buy, at what price, and when to sell. Instead, now with this system, you need just to determine if the stock will rise or fall based on popular choice. That's it. That's right. It leverages the intelligence of thousands of traders' decisions as a majority. All you have to do is copy their decision and copy their big profits. If the majority of the traders determine that the stock will go up in the next 60 seconds, you press the up option button. And if the majority of the traders determine that the stock will go down in the next 60 seconds, you press the down option button. With each correct decision you make, between 70 and 80% profit. Let me make this crystal clear. It doesn't matter whether the stock price goes up or if the stock price goes down. As long as you pick the right decision, you're going to make between 70 and 80% profit. And it doesn't matter if the stock price goes up or down by less than 0.5%. You still make that 70 to 80% profit. I want you to watch this system in action. You see, this is my account. It currently has $422 in it. For this example, we're going to trade in the Forex market. To be exact, Australian dollars to US dollars. Now here you're going to see a dynamic scale that is based on traders' choice. It's based on the cumulative decisions that thousands of traders that are trading on this currency exchange. It's where you get to leverage that knowledge. Thousands of sophisticated traders all over the world. In this case, 68% of traders worldwide predict that the rate will go down. See? Now that we've determined which way to trade, we can go back to this 60 seconds tab right here. Then we're going to select $10 as the amount we're going to trade. All right? Then we're going to click on the down, otherwise known as put. Then we're going to click on open trade and then confirm it. And now the trade has started, and in 60 seconds, we'll know the outcome. But in the essence of time, I'm going to speed up the video so you don't have to wait 60 seconds right now. Okay, so there's 3 seconds left, and it looks like we and the majority of traders out there have made the right choice. We just made a 70% profit, or we made back $17 on a $10 trade in just 60 seconds. And as you can see here, our balance just went up from $422 to $429. Now just imagine if we traded with $100 on that trade. We would have made $70 in profit in 60 seconds. It's really that simple. No more days of research or insider knowledge on the stock that you want to trade. No more hours of studying news, charts, newspapers. No more risking $5,000 to $20,000 a day to be a good day trader. All you need is $100 to $300 to start with, depending on how fast you want to climb up to $500 a day in profit. And eventually, you could make that $10,000, $20,000, $40,000, $50,000 a month in profit. And at the end, you're not going to make between 0.5% and 5% in profit. Instead, you're going to be making an average of 70 to 80% profit with each and every trade. Look, I know, you're anxious to make your first $500 today, but please understand that my goal is to ensure that you follow the correct strategy. So make sure you read the rest of this page. I need you to follow every step that I've outlined for you below. In the meantime, just for fun, I want you to watch how I made over $250 in less than 1 hour of trading. But don't worry, you won't have to watch through the full hour. I fast-forwarded through the majority of the live recorded video to give you a 2-minute glimpse, okay? As you can see, this live recorded video starts at 2:18 p.m. on Friday, August 31st. With the $429 in the account from earlier, now I'm just going to fast forward through some of my trades so you can see what type of activity you could expect once you're trading on this system and once it becomes natural to you. Okay, so after approximately 50 minutes of trading between 2:18 p.m. Eastern Time and 3:09 p.m. Eastern Time, here's the result. As you can see, it's 3:09 p.m., still Friday, August 31st, and now look at the total amount of the dollars in this account. $690. We started with $429, 50 minutes ago. So in less than an hour, we made a profit of $261. Just imagine what you could make trading for 2 to 3 hours a day, Monday through Friday. I bet it's a lot more than you're making now, right? And I bet it's more than what you're making now with all that worthless piece of crap that you bought over the past year. It's time to put a stop to being cheated and lied to. It's time to put a stop to seeing Wall Street fat cats and big banks make lots of money while you continue to suffer every day. It's time for your friends to call you the lucky one. Don't waste another minute. I need you to get started now. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. You have right now the best strategy you will ever be handed. Take advantage of it today, or I promise you'll regret it later on. So go ahead, confirm your invitation email below, and I'll see you inside.